K30 KEH RC Drone. Take your aerial imaging to the next level with the K30 KEH RC Drone, a cutting-edge quadcopter packed with advanced features for both pros and enthusiasts who demand reliability, high resolution, and assurance in flight. Whether you're shooting cinematic visuals, performing inspections, or capturing landscapes from heights, the K30 delivers sophisticated technology in a durable, smart, and highly capable package. Key features and highlights: GPS and positioning intelligence. Equipped with full GPS guidance plus outdoor positioning systems, the K30 ensures stable hover, precise waypoint navigation, and reliable return home functionality. Navigating through open terrain or complex environments becomes safer and more predictable. Dual-camera 8K HD imaging. Capture ultra-high-definition aerial footage with the dual-camera setup. The primary lens delivers up to 8K resolution, ideal for richly detailed video and stills. The secondary camera gives you additional angles, perfect for panoramic shots, ground perspectives, or creative layering in your content. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence. The drone is built with sensors on all sides, front, rear, sides, top, bottom as applicable, to detect obstacles before collision. Whether navigating tight corners or flying in cluttered spaces, this feature adds a critical layer of safety. You will have both laser and/or infrared obstacle detection depending on version. 5G Wi-Fi plus FPV transmission. Real-time first-person view, FPV, enabled via high-bandwidth 5G Wi-Fi ensures low latency and clear video feed to your controller or mobile device. Track your flight, align your shot, or adjust settings live for dynamic control. Flight time and battery system. Powered by efficient brushless motors and high-capacity lithium battery, e.g. approximately 3000 mAh in many versions, the K30 offers approximately 20 to 25 minutes flight time under ideal conditions. Battery health and power management are built in. Features such as low battery return help safeguard your investment. Smart flight modes and controls. The drone supports a versatile suite of flight and camera modes. Waypoint and multi-point cruise flights. Follow me, tracking of subject. Surround, orbit mode to circle a focal point. Gesture control. One key takeoff, landing, return home. Headless mode for easier orientation. Lens zoom, angle adjustment. Panoramic photo and video. VR mode for immersive viewing. These features make the K30 suitable not only for experienced pilots, but also for those new to aerial photography who want easy creative expression. Physical and operational specs. Folding, compact design for portability when traveling. Product size folded versus expanded, and weight around approximately equals 250 to 350 grams, varies by version. Remote control range up to approximately 300 meters. Some models may offer further, under clear conditions. Wi-Fi image transmission similarly up to approximately 300 meters unobstructed. Charging time around approximately 180 minutes for many models. Adjustable cameras, servo motor tilt, multi-lens switching, for dynamic framing. Use cases. Professional content creators making cinematic videos and documentaries. Real estate and architecture aerial shots and inspections. Outdoor adventure and nature photography. Surveying and agricultural work where elevation and wide views matter. Travel vloggers and social media influencers who want compact yet powerful gear. Beginners and hobbyists who appreciate safety features and smart flight modes. What to consider: limitations. Obstacle avoidance sensors are helpful, but performance may vary under extreme light, weather, or low visibility conditions. Actual flight time depends on usage, wind, payload, and settings. Expect less than the maximum under heavy load or during complex maneuvers. 5G Wi-Fi offers lower lag but requires good line of sight and minimal interference to maintain quality. Charging time is relatively long, so having spare batteries is a plus if you want continuous aerial time.